How often should I dye my gray hair blonde to maintain the color?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our discussion on the ideal frequency for dyeing your gray hair blonde. This topic often sparks questions, especially when you're aiming for a consistent, vibrant color that helps you feel confident and fabulous. The key factors to consider are your natural hair growth rate, the quality of the hair dye, and how quickly your hair absorbs color.
How fast does hair typically grow?
The first factor to understand is the rate of hair growth. On average, human hair grows about half an inch per month, or 6 inches per year. However, this can vary depending on your genetics, health, and age.
What role does hair dye quality play?
When it comes to maintaining your blonde color, not all hair dyes are created equal. Higher quality dyes often last longer and provide a more natural look. Choosing a high-quality dye is therefore essential for extending the time between color treatments. Additionally, professional color treatments typically last longer than at-home box dyes, due to their superior ingredients and application techniques.
How does my hair's color absorption impact the frequency of dyeing?
Gray hair can be more resistant to dye than pigmented hair because it has a more compact cuticle layer. As a result, it might not absorb color as readily or may fade more quickly. If your hair doesn't hold color well, you might need to dye it more frequently to maintain the blonde shade.
So, how often should I dye my gray hair blonde?
Considering all these factors, the general rule of thumb is to touch up your roots every 4 to 6 weeks. This time frame allows for the regrowth of about half to 3/4 of an inch, which is typically when the natural color begins to show at the scalp. If you've noticed that your color fades quickly or your hair grows faster, you might need to adjust this time frame slightly. Dyeing your gray hair blonde is a personal journey, and the perfect timing depends on various factors such as your hair growth rate, the quality of dye you use, and how well your hair absorbs color. But as a starting point, consider revisiting your color every 4 to 6 weeks. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, it's all about making you feel confident in your look. Enjoy your blonde journey,